In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rotate an image in Lightroom Desktop quickly and easily. Whether you want a slight straightening adjustment or a perfect 90-degree rotation, Lightroom gives you a couple of simple ways to do it in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Lightroom tips, photo editing tutorials, and quick workflow guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Lightroom Desktop and load the photo you want to edit. Once your image is open, look over to the right panel and click the crop icon. This is the best method if you want full control over the angle of your image. Inside the crop and rotate tool, you'll see a rotate slider. You can drag this slider left or right to fine-tune the angle until your photo looks perfectly straight. This is ideal if your horizon is slightly crooked or your picture just needs a subtle adjustment. You can also rotate by dragging the image edges or adjusting the crop area until the composition feels right. As you work, keep an eye on the lines in your photo so you can align everything cleanly and professionally. Once you're happy with the rotation, press Enter to apply the changes. That locks in your edit and updates the image instantly. Now, if you just want to rotate your photo quickly by 90 degrees, Lightroom makes that easy too. Use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus right bracket to rotate the image to the right. If you want to rotate it the other way, press Ctrl plus left bracket. This shortcut is perfect when your image was imported sideways and you need a fast fix without using the slider. It's one of the quickest Lightroom Desktop shortcuts you can learn, and it saves a lot of time when editing multiple photos. So to recap, use the crop and rotate tool for precise adjustments and use the keyboard shortcuts for fast 90-degree rotations. Both methods are simple, efficient, and great for speeding up your editing workflow. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Lightroom tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.